welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, it is part 2 of our garden series, whereby we start our garden from scratch up until harvest. And today we are going to be making seed beds. We are going to start with seed beds and plant our seeds there, and then afterwards we are going to transplant those seeds. So we are going to be planting cabbage and spinach, which normally takes around 7 to 14 days to germinate, and then afterwards we are going to transplant them. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you do not miss on any future videos. Let's go. So we're gonna start by making temporary raised bed with soil because it allows for water drainage and debris cannot spoil the bed. It is easily manageable. So we are going to make our seedlings here, and it is much more efficient. You can also make your raised beds with wood, but this one is much more easy. After you are done, you should irrigate them and label them. You should label what you planted and the date. You can also include your name, and remember to recycle water. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is the end of part 2, and in part 3 we are going to be transplanting from the seed bed onto the whole space that we have created. So we'll see each other on part